What's up, YouTube friends and family? Welcome back. So today I have Born Pretty in the house. I'm going to swatch some beautiful cat eye magnetic polishes for you. As well, I'm going to be doing a set today with these products, so stay tuned. I'm also going to be using some other Born Pretty products that I have gotten from previous times. So yeah, we're going to get into it. I'm really excited because these polishes are beautiful. I went digging for a better magnet because I knew I had one. The effect is amazing. So cool. Love it. Sitting here for so long playing with these, like, hello. Anyways, make sure you got a good magnet because that's really important. I feel like that last magnet I had was terrible, and I know it was because I had it for like so long and it wasn't like even barely sticking to things it should be sticking to. So I was definitely thinking maybe it got like demagnetized, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Who knows? And I'm going to finish swatching these polishes. I think there's like 2 more polishes out of this collection, but they're all so beautiful, like, girl. This is a molding gel. It's blue. It has like an aurora-like color to it. Super pretty. I'm not going to use it today, but in a future video I will for sure. But yeah, these are gorgeous. Stay tuned at the end for like more shots of these because they're so gorgeous. And yeah, I'm going to top coat them using the super top coat from Born Pretty. Yeah, everything that I used today will be linked down below, and you can find it all on their website. With my discount code, you can save some money, and their stuff is so affordable. Like, girl, check it out. You'll be amazed. This hand has been through the ringer with me. I want to get a new hand, like a really, really good one, so I'll probably have to save and invest in that. It's just like the cuticles are split upwards, like it's just a mess. Like, it might be hard to tell, but it really is a mess. So I'm going to attach all my nails with Born Pretty rubber base coat gel, and I'm using my gooseneck lamp to do this. Leave it linked down below, but I love it because I can be hands-free and do everything I need to do and not worry about it, and you can move it all over the place. It comes in like a few different colors too, but obviously I got pink. I've had it for a long time now. I don't know why I never even talked about it. But yeah, I wanted to share that with you guys. I'll leave it linked down below if I can find it. I'm going to be doing some glitter ombre. One of the polygels I'm using that isn't from Born Pretty, it's a color changing. This is my main girl right here. Her name is Gem, and she's from Born Pretty. And I only have a little bit left of it, so because I've used it so many times and I want to get more. This bit that I'm using, I really, really like it. And I'll also try to link this as well. It's really small and dainty, and you can get like any like flyaways or like excess nail that you need to get down really, really fast. I also need to start using my dust collector more. I totally blanked out on that on this set, but my next sets I'll definitely pull that out. So I incorporate the blue cat eye polish on 2 of these nails, and I feather it up with a liner brush. I didn't have my blending brush handy, nor do I know if I even have one anymore because I messed a bunch of my brushes up. But anyways, I just use that for now, but if you have a blending brush, it would work a lot better for this method of what I'm doing. And yeah, I just kind of wanted it all to blend in and just flow really flawlessly. So that's why I was trying to blend it up, but it still worked for what I was trying to do, but it could have been a lot better if I had like a proper blending brush. But it's all good, like I said, it still worked. So on this set, it's kind of like a layered set because I do so many different things. So I'm going to apply transfer foil to this set as well. I also apply stickers and I also apply gems to this set as well. I like this set a lot actually because of the temperature changing polygel. I would love to see like a cat eye polygel. That would be so cool. Like, I've never seen that before. I don't even know if they have that, but yeah, I would love to see a cat eye polygel collection or set or something like that. But anywho, I'm gonna finish my design and show you guys the final looks. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Shout out to all my beautiful, amazing supporters and subscribers. Shout out to Born Pretty for sending me these amazing products. I hope you all enjoyed this set. And until next time, be kind to everyone, including yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.